Hey guys, welcome back to our hilarious funny comedy compilation video. Today comedy now blast to make sure say you're ready for this comedy. Alright, I'm not going to waste your time. Let's quickly dive into this comedy. Let's go.
Zena, stop all these things now. You pressure me. I know you like all these things. I'll be the first person to use this kind of thing. I'm not the first person now. I'm not the do all this kind. I know you like
When you knock me, now pressure you knock me. Don't tell me say I no pressure you.
You see the kind of show you they carry. Not be all of us the pressure.
You knock me. You give me belly. I say I not ready carry this baby. Give me money, make I come out that.
Okay, wait first. All your mates, they drink soda or gogoro. Why no one join the drink soda or gogoro?
I swear, loud you get person. See the advice.
What did you I go run. What is I go run, leave you.
You know born you where. What? Mamu jai, know where you want to go. I go carry you.
Calm down. I know what's going on here. You give Ambele. And you're looking for money to remove the pregnancy. Don't worry, I'm here to resolve everything. This is my personal doctor. Go to test and confirm if you are pregnant.
Please, I don't need all of that. All I need is money. Make I come out this thing. I beg, I don't need that one way. They follow me later.
Calm down, don't worry, I will solve everything. But first thing, let me confirm if I'm pregnant first. From there, I will know what to do. You allow them go now. You want for sure what happened. Behave yourself. Okay, I beg, confirm right now.
Confirm.
Okay.
If only you are pregnant, allow us to go check. Let's check.
Wait. Who be this guy, Seth? Where you come from? Oh yeah. Now don't catch me. I don't get belly.
So you don't get belly? Hi, Jesus Christ, and I don't think I'm father.
How be you go every time I go to ask you for money, you don't go give me. And me, I need money urgently. So I have to look for an idea to collect money from you.
Oh, Anini.
You they give me money. You they give me money.
Enough! Okay, pass me the box. Take it. Ouch! Now, this is money. Don't try and again. Bro to bro, try to give your woman money so that she not going to find updates on how to steal money from you.
Hey, no one.
Mona hug. Oh yeah, Mona go inside. Mona go do. Now why we they call and go? Now why they always turn up? You know he go turn up. He go turn up. Hi guys, register on isbae. Use my promo code EDUBOY. You get 300% bonus on your first deposit.
Why won't you turn up?
Bet on the serial matches using the Pursuit or the Scudetto offer. You stand a chance to win fantastic prizes on isbae, such as iPhones, speaker, wristwatch, and so many other prizes. All you need to do is
I think all these are my boy he was doing landed in the very big trouble.
Don't worry now, you blow.
See now wait till everybody they tell me for the past 5 years be that and I never blew. See, I'm not happy, I'm not happy.
Baby, I know. But at least this will make you happy.
Big things now, so this thing don't make me happy. See, the only thing if you give me joy like this now if I win Grammy.
Okay, you know what? I'll talk to my dad. He's a music executive.
Yes? What's going on here?
Hey, Daddy, my boyfriend is not happy. You know he's an artist and he really wants to blow.
Yeah. It's okay. So young man, what's your name? My name is Shopofo singing and rapping. Mr. Man, I mean, what's your stage name? Oh, my stage name is McMill. Alright, I'm Mr. Dele Zayo, aka Didi. And I'm going to take your music global. Thank you very much, sir. So how much I'm going to need for the promotion? Because I want win 50 million naira from the Premier League match where I play on top Paris for using the promo code DFA.
Are you serious, baby?
Yes, now. I've even win iPhone 15, airport, and $200 when I register through the link in my bio. Deposit and withdraw can be done through OPay, Monify, Flutterway, and Pesta. Young man, I don't need your money. All you have to do is to follow me to my room, you sign some documents, and you win 50 Grammy by next year. Jesus! 50 Grammy! My princess! Yes, Daddy. You can't get me 50 bottles of baby oil. Who did he? I beg which you want use 50 baby oil do? Go ask them for comment section.
Them want fuck you for yash make you know like that.
A very bad boy.
What is it used for? Used for baby oil. What is baby oil used for? Like, I don't know. Don't be my mouth. I go 10 years. Let's see the next comedy. Let's go.
My sister, you see that boy where they chatting from UK? He just be like, who buy fowl for September, they train now. Definitely must stop on December. Jesus! And they talk to you, they laugh. What is the funny? My sister, make I tell you, the kind country where those boys carry, they come from UK. If they use that way, they nigga touch you. Photo. And they talk to you, they smile. What is the funny? I better come up for good my pass. Jesus! Cider Bosch.
Okay, gentlemen and ladies, you're welcome to this wonderful opportunity. It's opportunity, but one. If you lose, I don't lose, they go. You understand? Okay. Barrister Titus, can I see your CV verbally. Here we do verbal CV, we know they present CV. So can I know your qualification verbally?
First and foremost, I have the propensity, predilection, inclination, and endearment of giving prolific honorific ability to who deserves it.
Abdul Salam, do it. Okay, speak English so person can understand.
Okay, let me break it down. Let me start by giving you my epithet, rubrics, and pregnomen. I am Professor Titus, an academic juggernaut, a sum cum laude, and an egg, the Lollapalooza.
Lolo. Why am I hearing Lolo? What thing concern Lolo, concern your verbal interview? Give us interview, they talk about Lolo. Okay, don't worry, I'll go and bring somebody to speak Latin and go talk that one. My sister, can I stand up? Excuse me, stand up.
Jesus.
What's going on here? Sit down. What is it? Sit down.
Like, I see you.
What is your name again?
My name is Beauty, sir.
No, I don't say you Beauty, I say your name.
My name is actually Beauty, sir.
Okay, continue.
It's okay. That one, by the way. What is going to happen now is that a gentleman, as he come here, come to speak Latin. No problem. Beauty.
Continue.
So, actually, let me. Can I just hear small of your, CV?
Okay.
Sir, just trust me on this job. I'll attract customers, even though I didn't finish secondary school. But I'm really good.
You don't need to talk too much. Forget it. I don't trust you already. In fact, as you stand up, I trust you. Forget it. So what is going to happen now is that let me go inside and see my MD, and then I'll come and tell you. In fact, rejoice. Rejoice. The work is yours.
Thank you, sir.
What is this one going to do right now? Let's see.
Hello, how are you?
Continue.
Wow, you look gentle, decorous, porcritidinous, glossy, and glassy, dazzling. See, I love porcritidinous in Amratas like you.
Okay.
I don't know, since you stood up that time, you just disintegrated my brain pan and cranium. I love beautiful girl like you. I don't know, maybe after now we can just go and chill somewhere. I will take care of you. I will do anything for you.
Take care.
I'm sure now. Tell me, whatever you want, I'll do it for you.
Are you sure?
I love you,
So, Beauty, I not tell you, and didn't I tell you? As I go explain to my guy, exactly. But the problem now is same. You get some criteria where would they look for. You understand? Actually, nobody say you do get them, but you get them. You get physically, you get them. Civically, that would not be the issue. Yeah? So for that reason now, we don't decide say, this Latin man where they here with all the grammar way in the speech saying go fit convince customers to deposit money.
Okay.
So sir, the job is for you. We'll be giving the job to him. You understand?
But sir, I'm really good at this
job. Don't worry. I told you I'll take care of you. I told you there's nothing I will not do for you because I love you. What I'm about to do now is coming from a place of love. Sir, I'm stepping down. I don't want the job. Give it to her.
Are you serious?
100%. Give the job to her. I told you I love you. I'll do anything for you. But please, I'll be waiting for you outside so that once you come, we'll go somewhere. And sir, give the job to her. I don't need the job.
This man.
I'll be waiting for you outside.
No problem.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
No, me go to thank you. Now me go to thank you because see, let me tell you.
Continue.
You see that work we give you. If like see that boy get sense. That work na petty work, na work of 30,000 naira. In fact, 35,000 naira with logistics.
Okay.
But I go give you job position way big past that one we offer you, and that position a position of 350,000 naira. I don't mind to resign my position.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
No, don't mention. Say it. It's okay. You know what thing happen? CCTV full everywhere. Can I meet you outside so I'll go exchange number to talk later, an appointment on how it will go.
Thank you very much, sir.
It's okay.
I mean, girls just laughing because girls are wicked. They have plans. Eliminating, man. They will just be laughing.
Oh, my angel. I hope everything went successful.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate it.
It's okay. You know what? Since you've gotten the job, let's just look for one lodge, one hotel, and just say, have a tete-a-tete, you understand? Hello, baby.
What's going on here?
I got the job.
Wow.
Yes,
are you serious?
Yes, baby. Yes.
Wonderful.
All thanks to to this market.
Baby, I don't understand. What baby?
Meet my husband.
Husband?
Yes,
Wait,
sir.
so you're married? And you didn't tell me?
Hello. I actually, how are you? Continue. So now I say, according to what we...
Sir, meet my husband, sir.
I should meet you.
My husband.
Is he part of them?
He's actually the manager. He's the one that gave me the job.
Oh, my brother, thank you very much.
Okay, come out your hand. Which is thank you. Look at this one. Which is thank you very much. What's the
problem? So, what's the problem?
You were not informed too.
I don't understand. I'm trying to say thank you for...
He's my husband. And I have 2 kids with him.
When I said drop your CV, why didn't you include in your CV say you get 2 children and a husband?
You didn't allow me to talk.
I don't allow you to talk. When you go stand up. How can I allow you to talk when you go stand up? Follow your husband, go and collect that word.
No, wait. Why did you follow her outside after the interview?
You, what did they do?
You made me lose this job.
So, if I speak English, where person go here?
You they use your
Child, I hate injustice. I don't like her.
No problem.
Gaga to one gaga.
Nothing about gaga to one gaga here. You are an ashawu and you are a corrupt man. And no, the girl is the most wicked somebody in this world. She just makes smart. I'm smart to grown up men. Let's see what's called because if all that you can carry coffee like this, I'm back on the front.
My head, they go inside this place. This guy, they give me
funny bros, you know the rest.
Funny bros, you will never stop to make us laugh. And I don't know
funny bros.
I'm match day to game. Which people go predict this game for me?
Okay. Never hear about KGSB. They predict Talkless sport bet and it's for free.
Okay.
All you have to do is to click the link on the bio comment section to join.
Are you serious? I don't see their channel.
Join them.
Bro, thank you for the update too.
If you win, call us job.
Which job?
Huh?
Mr. Man, respect yourself.
Now this year.
Which year? Okay, focus on your job.
Go for me. That can hear someone. What are you wishing somebody to die in your family or in their family? My guy, I think they're right now in the location.
I want to appreciate all of you for coming out for my late brother's burial. I know the tight schedule of this country and...
But the rice has finished.
How?
We did not cook much rice.
There are people here that don't eat. Why will you do that?
It's not my fault.
I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this.
5 years of madness. I want to also still thank you for coming, especially special appreciation to the casket bearers. You know, they did their work diligently.
Perfect.
The information reaching me is that rice has finished.
Huh?
I know it's not going to be a problem.
Hey, good thing. Hey, good thing.
Hey, good thing. Hey! You know, man?
Hey!
Is this stupid? Calm down.
Calm down.
What are you supposed to do?
So now rice they make this guy vex.
Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. See my head, they go inside this place. Jesus.
What do we to kill each other?
Why would you slap someone else?
Calm down now. Why you the chicken? As rice don't finish, you go pay us well.
What's the problem? Let me see what I can do via
Funny bro, why would you slap
everybody
somebody
understand
else?
the situation of this country, so this is your payment for the
Slap somebody else.
ask everybody to
But
I don't allow you rest. I don't throw me out, throw me down. The one that throw me never do now. I see the way I did the season when they fight because of rice. And I say one can kill me. Now not a shame.
Hello, team.
5 years of madness.
Funny bro, is dumb.
Don't go down.
See what the greediness they cause? Just because of rice.
Alright, in respect to Bobrisky, what I'm about to post now.
You need to respect yourself. Even when you see dead body, dead body man now, dead body can't tell you don't fight.
Where are you going to dress like this?
I'm going to a house party with my friends. Don't worry, I'll be back this night.
Like this?
Like how?
Kilo.
I mean, what is wrong with what I'm putting on?
Babe, even your mom that's a role model will not dress like this.
My mom is not my role model.
Who's not a role model?
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Oh, no wonder. Babe, do you know what? When you want to dress like a role model, we'll go out together. But now, let me style you. Come.
Some people don't know me. Babe, I don't like this thing you're doing.
A few moments later.
You like it, don't
you? Wait a minute.
My boyfriend.
Who are you?
My boyfriend is my life.
Yes. I now, bye.
At least this will be spoiling.
Babe, I love you. Say you love me now.
Okay, what?
Now you sabi.
You think this would are not to cheat?
Main price someone is only for betting on Series A matches. Someone is my promo code Iwundu and get 10% bonus on your first deposit.
Unless that girl doesn't want to cheat.
In Posito Scudetto.
If you want to
please bet on any Series A matches and endpoints. There
will still be.
Get the Scudetto of all divisions, endpoints and end.
While your shirt
so that you can win an iPhone
still on
Max. In register.
They play. Let's see.
This guy is so creative. Let's bring him on board.
Yeah, his contents are the best.
This one Toro is about to get a promotion. Bano. It cannot happen. I have to summon one of the spirits. Jealous! Jeje! Appear! This boy is about to get a promotion. You must not let that happen. Now go and stop it. Go, Jeje baby. Nonsense. What be this? Joe, my guy, don't buy right. New whip, new home. Congrats, my G.
Chibo. You only know how to congratulate others. When would they congratulate you? You're always being the good person. Use your head. Use your head. Why is he the only one getting the blessings? Why not you?
Undermine his self-worth.
See, bro to bro, let's be honest with ourselves. Throughout this year, what have you achieved? Nothing. No new home, no new car, no good relationship. And the year is coming to an end. You are slacking.
You must force him to drop a negative comment. I want his sponsors to see that his heart is hateful, that he is not fit for that position. Yes. I want them to see him that he is a jealous fellow. Force him to drop negative comments.
See, my guy, when someone becomes wealthier than you, they will begin to see you below their level. Deep down your heart, you don't want him to be more successful than you. So you have to bring him down to your level. Pick up your phone and downplay his achievements. Yes, you know, it's easier for the world to go against a successful person. So just spread lies and false rumors they will believe. No.
You have to fuel the fear of failure in him.
Imagine what people will say. You guys started together and now he's more hardworking, more successful, more talented, more creative. Oh, come on. Are you not scared of being a failure?
I want you to create a constant comparison in his mind.
Just look around you. Kenneth just bought a house. Ebube is getting married. Johnson is traveling abroad. Everyone is doing well except you. You have to defend yourself, else they'll think that you don't have grace.
You have to distract him with lesser goals.
See, instead of chasing your goals that require a lot of time, consistency, and hard work, why not take a faster route? There are so many negative ways of making money. No, I can't fulfill my goals. See, bro, surviving is winning, Franklin. People don't care how you make your money. As long as you have money, you have your respect, you have the ladies, you have everything.
You have to instill a victim mentality in him.
You cannot chase dreams in this economy. The government is frustrating everybody. See, you're a victim of bad government, so it's not your fault. So what about those that achieve their dreams in this same economy? That one is luck.
Promote perfectionism.
See, my bro, for you to achieve your dreams now, you have to be perfect. You can't start from the scratch. Then how do I gain the experience if I don't start from the scratch? Anything that is not perfect is not worth doing. So you have to make money first. Then you start in a big way. All the great people I know started from the scratch, so I'm not buying this nonsense.
It seems jealousy cannot do this work alone. I will have to involve your sisters. Envy, Evelyn, I summon you. Now go and assist your sister and make him fall. He must not get a job. Discourage him from healing his emotions.
You're welcome, sis. He's so stubborn.
I am in charge of the dark desires of humans. I can teach you how to manipulate others, how to steal people's luck, take their grace, and swap their destiny.
But there are consequences for that.
You have to block his intuition.
Please stop questioning your thoughts. Bro, just forget other voices in your head and listen to this great advice. No, I will pursue my dreams. I believe myself. I know fail.
What are the both of you doing? The both of you cannot even convince this one to Iwundu.
They are not
Iwundu.
Iwundu.
Iwundu. Jealousy has been one of our best warriors so far. But this time around, she failed. I even sent her sister, Envy. The both of them failed woefully. How can one be able to overcome jealousy and envy?
Every human is capable of jealousy. So to overcome it, first you have to acknowledge the feeling of jealousy when it comes and not be ashamed of it. Then you have to trace where the jealousy is coming from. Then ask yourself these questions. What am I insecure about? What are they doing to complete their goals that triggers me? You will eventually discover that they are not scared to step out of their comfort zone. They are not scared to show who they are and live out loud. They are so confident about themselves and their goals and don't care what people say about them. They use jealousy as an inspiration for motivation and healthy competition. They have self-love and they believe so much in themselves. The worst people you can have around you are those who can't control their jealousy.
It's very better.
I don't tire more they go.
Iwundu, so you mean we cannot do anything?
That boy too stubborn. I don't talk tiger. Maybe we should send in security.
You can also send fear, bad belly, sapa, and hunger.
Oh! Imbeciles.
Since they don't work for you, just give them fish so that they can go and die. But I think, Wesha, you are in charge of those demons.
Elders, let us summon our ancestors to help us in this issue. Summon them.
Madiba, you started again. You have started again.
The gods of my forefather, show themselves. The cuckoo palele say, show themselves. The gods of my forefathers, reveal themselves now.
Why are they not answering you? They are supposed to come out now. We are all here. Okay. We should use something that they know. Something like Hennessy, Motell.
Let me get Hennessy.
Okay.
I haven't had some fresh canna yet.
I hate canna. Where is the canna? Give me the canna. My children, what can I do for you?
That's what I do for you.
Give me the canna. My children, what can I do for you? The ancestors is very hungry. Like
so amazing. It
It's literally the best I've had in a long time. How did you do it?
Customer, I don't see now which how they do all the time. And I experience.
You're such a bad boy.
That's it.
But right now, I need a long sleep. And I do not like to be disturbed when I'm sleeping. So please, when you wake up, just feel at home. Be comfortable, do whatever you want, but please do not wake me up. Okay?
No problem.
When I wake up, I'll sort your bills and definitely I'll do you well.
Hey, shut down.
Do me well. Do me well.
So this kind of customer. But you look at the pepper me.
Don't be saying you're going to do me well.
Yeah.
Nepal.
They just I shot it for this one, but I don't like Nepal.
The food that can take you to heaven: rice and stew, fish, yam, red oil.
Hello, did you on my gen?
Now me on a customer. As I watch film, I never take light. Now I don't on Gemma for fake complete the film.
Don't fire you.
So I asked you to feel at home. Then you went to on my gen. With the current price of fuel in this country, are you mad?
How, Chim?
By the way, where did you get this from?
Now for your freezer. As I do hungry now, I check. I see food. Now I begin. Madam, with the cuckoo. I swear.
You entered my freezer. You made a bar. Okay. How much did I say I'll pay you?
We agreed 25k.
25k. So this is what we are going to do. 10k for fuel. The food, give or take, 9k. The drink, 15k. Your water is 1,000. So what's the total?
That kind of 35k.
So you remove 25,000 from the 35,000. Then you balance it. Stand up!
As the yawa gas na kasala boss join.
Come inside. May you go balance me.
Guys, we see what your mouth cannot talk.
Samara is going to knock from free. Oh, you enjoy everything actually.
Hello, I've been calling you since. Why didn't you pick up? I was asleep. But you just posted. Why didn't you return my call? Hey, but we're already talking now. Are we not talking?
That's true, exactly.
See, me, I have to go now. I want to go and help my mom in the kitchen. But I thought you live alone. She just traveled in for the weekend. Okay, baby, can I call you tonight? No, I'll be praying. What about tomorrow morning? No, I'll be eating. We'll see. I have to go now. Please, I want to go and cook.
Find out anything.
Where now? What would you like to eat though?
I will give a chance for you to see me.
Okay. I like pancakes and sunny side up. So you can eat. God will punish you. And you're calling my phone. You broke idiot.
Idiot.
Get out.
But you can't eat.
So if I not call you, not call me. I'm sorry, babe. I was busy.
Yeah, this is your remote job, chat. Anyways, check your doorstep. I ordered you dinner.
Oh, thank you. Your husband will enjoy you.
Eh?
Thank you, your husband will enjoy you. Eh? Who am I to use that?
Baby, please, can you turn off the light?
Say na eyes they pay me and they waiting with this.
Let no day on now. I mean, what make I tell God me have son?
I like this when there is blue light, red light.
I feel like I'm not doing this thing.
I'm God light.
What's happening now? The toto dey smell. He dey smell. Now why they bleed?
Don't damn infection.
Infection?
Yes, and I get product wey you fit use. This one na infection herbal tea. This one na infection herbal drink from King's Affair. They cure all kinds of infection, syphilis, gonorrhea, yeast infection, and many more. It is 100% herbal and it is NAFDAC approved. Alright. Don't play. Okay, thank you. Where they go? You never pay me.
Baby, come inside now.
Precious! Jesus!
Jesus! You go get infection. So that means I don't need pay now.
Hold up! If my pikin get that infection, you go still pay me!
But charity begins from home.
I swear. You they give infection, they use power, they give infection. And now your pikin, they get infection. Don't check that. You pursue this.
Now mess and mess. Which of the other man there? Now mess and mess.
For them to be chasing you, that mess must be a bad one. For them to be chasing you when you mess, that means can kill somebody.
Jesus.
We must make sure that it's captured now. Captured. Yes, it must be turned on well.
Yeah, my guy, we go sit tomorrow now.
Wow.
Yeah, make us go to the phone.
No wahala.
Who plays? How far, my guy?
How far now?
Who be that game?
Okay.
Last time I need the ball, I know the friend boy talk for you. I need the ball. When the friend boy talk for that talk. Who is talking for you? Guy, now fine game, now my friend talk. I think I know the friend boy talk for you now. Guy, go for me, I call your number.
What be this?
I don't like this kind of thing. I don't like
God have mercy upon us.
The earlier you learn to be who you are, the better it will be for you.
Fine game, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Continue.
Yes, I was passing by, so I see one fine game there. I see that I come back, go tell you see.
Area for car.
Thank you.
I'm sorry for all of you. Yes, I beg. If you give your number, I beg.
No, I'm sorry, I can't.
Fine game. Somebody find for my phone. I don't get one fine game number for my phone. I beg. Just give your number.
Clap for Jesus.
Let's watch this video.
Yo man, what are you doing here with my wife? Oh, my wife. I'm sorry, sir. Thank you. Come here. What are you doing with my wife?
God help me now that day.
Sir, I tell her about King Solomon analysis.
King Solomon analysis?
Yes, sir.
What's going on here?
What is King Solomon analysis?
Okay.
So on Telegram channel, they predict show out for there. If you join the Telegram channel, they will give you short games.
So how does that concern my wife?
No, I say may he tell you if you don't enter house.
You know me before.
Okay, alright, no problem. Honey, please give me my car, please.
Okay.
I need it.
Madam, sorry, sir.
You mean like King Solomon analysis?
Yes, sir.
No worry, I say we'll go join them already, okay?
Alright, sir. Sir, sorry.
You get problem with my wife?
No, sir. So I just want to maybe she help me see my phone.
Your phone?
I did.
I'm trying to call my wife a thief.
No, sir. Sorry.
Then get out.
You know I'm bad.
I say get out.
And they never leave you.
That woman is a bad man.
Where's my phone?
Deal with your neighbor.
Which neighbor? But this one the phone boy talk for you.
God have mercy.
No, best, my guy.
I don't want to call my phone now.
Let's have it.
We'll go report them for police station.
Report to them for police station?
Police go arrest you today.
No, you go. Die.
Don't follow him because you will be arrested. The both of you will be arrested if you follow him. Like, how will the police arrest the soldier man because of how?
So
let's see ritual is gone wrong.
Thank you, I love you.
Don't worry. Feel comfortable. Let me just get you something to drink, okay?
Okay, thank you.
When men see women, that's what they're going to shake. They're going to shake. They're shaking daddy.
Glass of fine wine.
Thank you, Laji.
I don't know if God cook for women, but the way they make their head, they turn. Which one are ritualists though? You have put something.
Everything is fine, eh?
Yes, I'm fine.
Thank you, eh? Yes. See, this is it.
Thank you.
It's very expensive. I love this wine. You enjoy it, yeah?
Fresh wine, fresh people.
Let me just freshen up, eh?
Okay.
Feel relaxed, okay?
Okay, Laji.
I hope this man will not succeed or he will succeed. I don't really know. Yes, out there, be careful. Be careful the kind of life you choose. And this one now doesn't even care. If you won't use me for ritual, use me, but I just enjoy myself at this point in time. If you need the expensive wine, even some girls, they can eat. Bronze girls they chop. Don't know why they eat too much. Bronze girls, most of them are too chop. I think my guy don't come with a tire. Odumodu.
So you're a ritualist? Yeah. You wanted to use me?
I thought you were supposed to be fast asleep.
Are you mad? See, look at this man, sleep. Oh, I see what you were trying to do there. You poisoned my drink and you want to use me make money. Okay? You never use me.
But this one you are even talking like this. This was not the way you were talking when I saw you.
Oh.
What language are you speaking?
Oh. This thing where they do na native something. I don't think they use broken English. They follow you, they don't need someone. I won't go native with you. For this thing where they do. You know, say this one our junior, they wear this kind of uniform where they wear so. You want to use me? Go to my village. Now where I'm from.
That's not what you think.
You want to ask about us, conquer us. We know they feel. We know they fly for night. Now afternoon we they fly. Yeah? We they do competition. We they helicopter. If we hear them, they do win for afternoon. Now we be that. We know they fear. You won't go use me. I go take you face use you. So they sample to all the men. Where they use girl do rituals. Actually, I tell you say our moon will do and for daytime. Everybody you go see us. You don't see now. Everywhere they bright. I want to show you how they do them now.
No wonder she's a very strong witch, demon witch. Now make her no fear the poison. She's anti-ritual.
Young man, sir, you said you are going to marry my daughter, eh?
Yes, sir. I love her. Okay.
What's that your name again?
Lagos Big Boys.
Lagos Big Boys. Are you sure you love this man?
Let's have it. Come on.
He's like, yeah, I love them.
Well, no problem.
Okay. So, here is a copy of the bride price.
Okay, sir.
So, from page 1, as you can see, 500 tubers of yam. 500 tubers of yam. 14 keke napep. 50 kegs of palm oil.
Help me. That's what I do for you.
20,000 liters of petrol.
Sir, 20,000 liters of petrol.
And 19,000 liters of diesel.
Petrol and diesel.
So I want custard dust for the village. Yes.
Hey, Jotter.
I didn't read everything, so you complete it. You will see the total there. How many cow now? It is for the community. If you are not ready, let me know. This is a lot now. Have you bet? I'm really sorry. The account number is here. How much is this in Naira and Kobe? That is about 68.9 million Naira. 68.9 million Naira. You can make the transfer. Yes, sir. It was big boy.
For just bride price.
Okay.
I just sent you money, sir. Wow. Very good man. Very good man.
I know.
It's fast though. Yes, sir. You can follow your husband. Very beautiful.
Women.
And doesn't even care what she wants. Just say, let me have you.
Listen you.
The man shocked.
Hello, Musa. How much is that Mercedes Benz again? 15.4 million. That is no challenge. Just send me your account number. My son-in-law has credited me some amount for the bride price of my daughter. All right.
Bride price, maybe 68 million.
But I received a lot now. Hey! This boy not run me street too.
He said it's a lot now, so.
No, my dad is coming.
Your dad?
Yeah. Hello, Daddy.
Before I open my eyes, leave that idiot now and come back to this house.
I should come back.
That's why I don't need fake transfer.
Fake transfer?
End the call, end the call. Something like that. Let's be going. Marry, I don't marry you.
Straight up, no, we don't learn. Like, I don't marry you. They have already given you. Just consign me snap fake transfer. Let's see this one from SK.
Hello? Hey, I beg want to drive. Come on there.
I don't understand.
Get that.
You're not even polite. Why are you this rude?
What is up?
Please just hold on. Let me talk.
Break your back. Where they walk you? I swear for you.
Because of this car.
That's what I go do. I go sit down for person bonnet. You go forget that person bonnet. Then you go sit down for my bonnet. What do worry you? You snap with your person bonnet. You will take permission.
From who? For this your ship car.
What is up?
Cheap car, but you want to use it to snap
how much for this motor?
They come and go to ship car. Once when I don't enter people estate with opportunity, you know, the guy snap shop for everywhere. And you're not staying in the estate.
You're not staying there.
Who they stay in the estate? I want to know the guy be who they pay. Not if they snap shop. When I want to stay, I just enter the estate and snap picture. They snap shop inside the estate. When I know pay estate charges.
I don't know why you did wrong. Instead of you to call snap me, get a
Snap you.
I go jam you. I go jam you as I tell you so. I walk you.
This one a mad
Walk
man.
you.
Because your father be madman.
Place bets on the UEFA Champions League matches and get a pro.
They will see that SK is highly angry, highly meticulous angry.
They will give you 300%.
They will still be
Don't forget to press the
adding more
take part button
fear
on the
in
offer
the fire
page.
to make it escalate. And this one,
Take
me
part
head me.
in the prize draw.
Baba, I get wetin carry me come.
You talk, I dey hear you.
Baba, I get one of my friend wey just buy motor. And ever since we buy that motor, he can't avoid me. The one wey come pay me pass. Now one fine girl wey I don dey pursue since. Now so he go carry motor, go carry the girl from me. And you know girls matter, once they see motor, their eye go.
Nothing come be a problem.
Baba, I need juju wey I go take buy am. I might buy am before we collect that girl from me.
No wahala, bring money. How much be that?
Baba, na 1,000.
Now 1,000 juju you want take buy person wey get money. Answer me. You want use 1,000 naira juju buy millionaire?
Come, Baba, if you know sabi juju again, tell me my go and that place.
No wahala, bring him. I go double your husband.
You want 1,000 juju? 1,000 juju? Say bad person will be millionaire. Are you serious? Lika. Very stupid. That man needs to know.
Madam, I did your gate.
Oh, hey, you're from Chief, right?
Yes, Chief.
Oh my God, this man is not going to kill me with surprises. I'm such an intentional man. I love this man. What did he send?
Now your pants, I can't deliver.
Jesus!
Come let now they shame you.
Oh,
Embarrassment.
Why you go just dey like this, they lose guard your pants for Chief house? What if you say the wife consider pants? You know say you go put Chief for trouble. You go
We shall be a war. That one we kill him here. That's what I was telling.
Wait now, I will spoil you. At least can
you go wait oh. I don't try also. I don't see money now.
But you want to spoil somebody.
For twins, don't they also never see my money payment?
Jesus. My see yourself, they no grip pay. Like this, I won't go into kidnapping.
Kidnapping, you will not cast and I won't go to. I'm going to phone to open your telegram.
They don't give you away for
Yeah.
I'm going to finish your
Jesus.
Oh yeah, never your guess. They predict sure us. They even they give casino signals. If you make better money from them, oh yeah, open Telegram and follow that link now.
Calm down. Okay.
Oh yeah, pay my money.
At least let them pay first now.
Your parents just do mistake. Now, liar. Now they're supposed to give you a snake.
Johnny. Yes, so now that you guys have settled, no more fighting. You guys should love each other.
So I really appreciate sir. God bless you, sir.
I really appreciate that. I appreciate
you.
Hey!
Babe, what is it now?
What was the meaning of that?
What?
Why will you hold her? Put your head on her breast.
It's normal now. It's just a normal way of saying goodbye now.
Really?
Who is there?
Can I know my friends?
What's going on here?
God! Even you too! In support of this!
You? Mama said, say, when I did small, I like breast.
I like breast. If you watch the real video of that voice you just heard, man, you will laugh.
Oh, yeah,
Very hilarious comedy. Very, very hilarious. Try to watch it. Search it on YouTube. Forgotten the name. I think it's open and closed, if I'm not mistaken.
Who there? I beg, I want to get us my throat, they do me. Thank you. Which kind of flip this one now? No, be I pack my car now.
Madness don't start. This is how
I'm in a fucked up mood.
Like unbelievably. You just be like, I put it.
Hello, mechanic.
Hello, Papa. Afana.
Is it possible for car person park off and commode the key? We just start on the own, move lost.
Oga, the way the country is now, it is possible.
You don't have future here. You don't have future. You can never make it.
Hello?
Is it possible?
Hello?
The motor can buy itself.
Yeah, you win a whim.
Nobody call me this kind of afternoon time now. Hello, Tommy. Tommy, I don't see the thief before. I bet that time with the thief. Is it possible for Anna to thief car under 30 seconds?
Okay, na put out today. 2 seconds, man, they run now. You dey whine me. You know, keep quiet now.
Hello, officer. Is it possible for Anna to track and catch car we don't lost like 5 minutes ago?
5 minutes ago? Now they come in by this time? For this Port Ha! That motor don't go far, we don't fit track am. If you talk early now, that motor only the parts go remain. Ha! You don't go be that. Better go press new one. You get my thief coat. You get my...
You say they no fit.
You want to show them. God. You calling the pastor.
Stabilize. You didn't bring your tight. These are tight. Oh, fine.
These are tight.
Hello,
Pastor.
Brother, look, Papa. How are you? You're blessed.
Pastor, I beg. Is it possible for God to punish person who just steal person car? Nah.
Someone stole your car?
Yeah, sorry, Lord Jesus.
In these trying times, my brother, just calm your nerves. Vengeance is for the Lord. For we battle not against flesh and blood, but principalities and powers. Leave it for God. Had you been here a year, we will fight this battle for you. No need for vengeance. It's of the...
I need war.
Hello, boss.
I want war. No
boy, life. Have an idea.
You know that car will buy for me?
What happened?
They're not
They look for Babalawo. This is not a joke. You want to
call the owner of the cow?
Can you guys see? Can you guys see what I'm seeing?
How would a young man like this has not eaten since in the morning? Let me show you guys. What did you say, please?
I've not eaten since morning.
Can you guys hear that? He has not eaten since. This country has spoiled. But me, I'll keep doing my own for God. I have one small change here. Let me see what I can do for you. I think I have 150k here.
Wait,
I'll give him this 50k, guys. No. Yeah. No, it's fine. Can you guys see? I just gave him the 50,000 naira.
Can you guys see? I just dashed him 50,000 naira. I'm doing this for God. I need money small, at least you can be able to survive a little bit. I don't know what's going on in this country. Please, you guys should stay safe out there. Everybody, make sure. So this is a banger, so I will send out for you now. You go send out to Tunde no, just sit me and Yaba left. Made them knock and they like all those kitty things. It was banger. Yeah. So give me my money. You said you bad. Take this one, take your money. Next location at Cape Soul. I'll be there. Don't get pressure with what you see online. Don't get pressured with it too. Because when you get pressured, doing those things that they claim they are doing online. Only yourself, believe in yourself and forget about everything. For you guys, let's see. Yuri too funny. Yuri's father is taking this comedy to the next level, I think so. Let's see this one. This time around, what they are up to.
You are bad guy.
Fattest whiskey of that time.
Who is this one?
Are you watching like Zinoleski or who?
See your life.
You know me before.
Since your job, I just drop motor for you travel. You call just the wear clothes, the buga, the fall salt. I see what you do for church, you. You just do low waist. They hang best key for your bed. They do best boy. So that small girl go they notice you. Hand goes so with you.
Jealousy. That means I make your brother not drop motor for you. Jealousy go kill you. Jealousy go kill you.
Me.
Like jealousy will kill you if you don't leave me alone.
Okay, we start the tea package with that one. I give you money, sir. If you just work out the company, if you say thank you for this hard economy, thank you as small money.
I don't understand. Don't punish you. Then saw your brain come off here. Don't be thanking what I borrowed you last year, 24th night of December.
Chairman, I bet no verse. I don't forget say you borrow me the money. No verse.
Let's say the mental. Cause you know they forget like that for you. Because I borrow you the money for wash night, your memory can't wash. No way to do.
I don't want trouble. It's
okay.
I'm not saying this not Now, Conzi, what are you treading upon? Are you sure you're going to survive? Wait, come here!
Where you to?
I beg, no verse. Nah, the thing we see for outside, that thing we they put for outside, now say make a call check. I will still do it.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
Follow me. Let's go.
I say, I show boy don't love me. Them don't dribble Maradona.
Enter.
Talk to me. Talk to me now. Why are you like? What is happening here?
You be mumu.
You start running.
Yes.
Mugbe wala handicap.
What is going on in the other room? I hope it is not what I'm thinking. That is
God help me now that day. God help me.
Where are you going to donate itself if not by back?
Oh, you are here. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you? Fine. All right. Here is a donor home where people bring their sperm and we pay them. And each time you come is $1,000 per one sperm you release.
Hey! You mean say each time when I release, now will give me $1,000?
Yes. Each time you release $1,000, and if you come twice, it will you have a double payment of it. Yes, that's how we run the business here.
Well, what if I come 5 times?
It's also your money. You're making your money.
10 times income.
The more you come, the more money we pay you.
No problem. Say I will fit come. And sure, as I'm talking to you for area, my babe know they carry me the joke because I dey come more than 5 times.
And I know you can do it very well.
Imagine say I dey come like that, where they know they give me money. Come me say this one, we say if I come, they will pay me. I will come like 10 times or that. Okay,
no problem, Feel free, relax, Let me go and call the person that will, that will touch you, that will romance you, that will make you be in the mood to do the job very well.
Oh, you mean say when I go give me face with me and I go do and I go come?
Yes, of course.
No be even say na by stupid.
No. We don't do that here. We don't do that here. This has been our business for long, eh? Just sit down and relax. I will call somebody to come and attend to you, eh? Okay. No all right. Take care of yourself. I'm coming.
Maybe fine, fresh girl. fine, fresh girl.
So they go give me fine girl really and I go knock make her call. This one I even on earth though. So me say they go give me person. I go stay knock her free, still come. They go pay me money. Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming?
No.
So this can't thing there for this life. Now this girl.
Wow!
Hey!
Mugbe wala handicap.
I got it on the shit.
Fine boy.
Who be fine boy?
Come.
Which kind of sense? Come. No. Wait till this one.
Young man, she is the one that will take you to the room, eh?
Hey!
She will make you come.
She or he?
She, of course. Follow her to the room. Come.
I don't go feed you. I beg. I won't go.
Oh my mama! Like they're actually going to call my mama on this one because if they don't call my mama, if I don't call my mama, I go cry you. How you expect me to the knack? Bobrisky kind of knacky. No, I can't do that. There is no way I can do that. But today, I just want to say thank you, and we've come to the end of this comedy compilation video. I want to appreciate you guys. You know, something very, very bad happened to me. Very mysterious thing happened to me like 2 hours ago. This video, it has been long. I would have done this video for a very long time. Like, I still can't believe I'm still doing this video. Do you know what happened, guys? I was recording video for about how many hours? Let me say no. I recorded video when I started first. I recorded for 40 minutes. I just decided to go check if I'm actually, recording myself. To my greatest of all greatest surprise, I didn't press the record button. I wasn't recording anything. I was just like freestyling. See, I just weak. Do you know what I did? I just switched off everything, went to sleep for like 2 hours. And I come back again to start. And this time around, I hope it goes well for me, because if not, I will just still sleep till tomorrow again. But this time around, I think everything has been resolved and everything is going on fine. So guys, what do you think about our comedy? And I want to say thank you for watching to this extent. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you like my comedy, you like what you just watched, don't hesitate to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell, and also like and share this video to all your social media platforms. I am not going to waste any of your time on today's comedy. Like, just let me see your comment of the best moment that triggered you most. Let me see your comment. I love every part of it. Funny bros, is it this last one you just watched, or which one that we want to talk about? Like, everything is hilarious. Like, everything is super hilarious, especially that Shopofo singing and rapping. It's very hilarious. Is it the number one? Everything is very hilarious. So let me see your comment in the comment box. We're going to see you guys on our next comedy compilation video. I'm going to wrapping up. Have a wonderful time and stay blessed. Peace out.